Hello everyone. Hello. Today is February 11th. Tuesday, February 11th. And let's just say my nightmare has come true. It's snowing and I work tomorrow and I have to stay at the hotel. My goodness. I'm not okay. Do you see that white stuff? My damn nightmare.
Unfold. We're continuing to forecast what we're seeing with these heavy bands of snow. We're updating our forecast based on the latest.
Oh, we made it. Oh, I forgot to put on the mics. Let me put on the mics.
Ay, qué barbaridad. Howdy, no.
Yes?
Te llamas.
Yes, that's my name. We are here. Mommy, how do you feel about the snow? Okay. Finally, I got it working. It took me, I don't even know how long what happens. I should have just paid attention for. All right. I want to make some ramen, but before I do, I need to, so we're going to do that. I don't even know how to open this. I think it's the cleanest it's gonna get. Okay, we're gonna go downstairs because I didn't get a fork. Oh my god, I hate that it's beeping. Oh my god. I'm scared to see anybody. Excuse me. Why is it not here for it? This thing better hurry up. It's taking forever. It looks terrible out there. Alright, I made my ramen. Got it. Thank you for watching. I will be listening to music and playing some Mario Kart. Thank you. See y'all. Make sure to like and subscribe. Please and thank you. So, no, it's not the end of the vlog. February 13th, 2025 is Bestie's birthday. This is how it goes. The lighting is terrible, but we ain't got no choice. Girlie, move. Is it facing me?
No. It's west. Yeah,
But good in frame, right? Okay. Anyways, I have literally been trying to do this intro for 3 or 4 times. I'm at the point where I'm kind of done and just going to show you. Today is February 13th, or Thursday, February 13th, 2025. Today is Bestie's birthday, Kim's birthday. Another big day for her. And we're trying to do something cute for her. We're trying to buy a cake. We're just trying to make it, cute for her before they go to school. So that is the plan. I just had to drop off my big back brother. And then I'm meeting I don't know if I have to pick up Danya or if I just go straight to Safeway. Anyways, we'll see how it goes because right now I'm kind of lost. And after I, drop them off at school or whatever, I have to go. Oh, and somebody's calling me. Woo, gotta go. Woo.
Cover her back. Cover her back.
Cover my back. I'm cool.
Oh my god.
Cover her back.
What?
My boyfriend should stop. I'm getting her this.
I just
She
read
lost
I
it.
just tore.
About it first.
Someone did us a favor. They were, I love you.
Oh my god. It's only on that one.
It's ruined.
It's only on
it's
that
only
one. Oh, I'm about to
What
say.
does that one say?
Love you.
Okay, what should I get her? Should I get flowers?
Get her like a little gift like those. Or yeah, get her flowers.
I'm gonna get some, but because I just love strawberry
Don't matter.
chocolate.
It's her birthday, bro. I'll get her flowers too. The fuck.
Okay, but she no play like.
Oh
Hey, what about
wow.
this? Something like this. Something cute. Something simple.
This is Valentine's.
Who gives a fuck? Her birthday's on Valentine's Day. Okay, Nesta told her mom to parir the 13th. And the doctor had to be stop.
What time was she born?
Yeah. That I don't know. No.
I was born in the morning.
Okay, it's giving America. It's giving Donald.
The B mine one is so cute.
Came back.
Oh, you have to get her an actual cake, like
Both
you have to.
I'm hungry.
Big back. Big back moment. Go ask them. They can make you the balloons. I will get her this.
Is it giving friend? Look at the balloon. Look at the balloon. It's a boy. It's a boy.
This one is so cute.
Why are we
her a break? Let's work.
It's a boy.
Oh wait, we were thinking of Kim.
Okay, what about this?
That is cute. Yeah, I'm here
I
for
like
it.
this. It's giving friend, right?
Yes.
Okay, I love you. Oh, this is cute. Does she like all these?
Wait, what is that? Oh
Just guess the price.
$10.
Brr.
Guess.
Brr.
Guess how much?
Brr.
$10.
No. More. It's like 30.
No, it is
What
not.
if we just get her the balloon?
No, what's the thing? So,
Can I just get her this?
arroz? Oh.
This you don't know.
Right.
Okay, now for Kim, what should I get her?
I think I'm gonna share this with my mom and my brother.
On? Guys, this burns.
What do you have
It's
to say
okay
about
though. I earn it back tomorrow.
that? So you're getting another check tomorrow?
Yeah, from Sportsplex.
Oh, is that
50
wait,
pesos.
would that be the last one?
165. Yeah.
I'm expecting more than 1,000.
Oh, that's good.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Gloria a Dios. Señor, cuida my ears.
I don't fuck with it because she fucks with Sportsplex.
Okay, first of all,
sorry, you're such a hater. I'm just kidding, Teddy Bear. You know I'm joking. Okay, guys, I'm actually kind of hungry and
are we gonna go to Chick-fil-A?
we don't have time.
Yeah, we don't have
Go.
time.
But we have time.
Well, okay. Yeah.
What if you go to the thing? You go to Chick-fil-A, you get me something, and then I'll be back.
Okay, big back.
Because I can't be late to school.
Oh, sorry.
Okay,
That's
Vice
your
President.
fault. That's your fault
Vice
for being
President.
vice president.
For being vice president. Who told you?
Who told you to run for vice president?
Myself, it's my goals.
These angles.
Can you believe that in this bag it's 110?
Not that mic.
I need to buy
Please.
a jumper.
You should get a big one, so then I'm holding it from one side and you're holding it from the other, and then her and Kim, and then we're just like,
Stop it.
and then y'all gotta jump. Oh shoot!
We're gonna look crazy.
My we're literally about to embarrass you. It's really bad. My
Move my basket. Ay, ay, mi culo. Amor, mira que soft.
Con esto me duermo aquí.
You're so real.
sleepover.
Okay, so
Agárralo hoy,
what are we
pues.
singing? Agárralo hoy, no mañana, dile. Okay, so what are we gonna sing to her? Did you turn off my car?
Happy
You didn't lock it.
birthday.
Busca la niña que canta Happy Birthday.
Oh, we should get her the Peruvian version.
Let's do it. Cerveza,
Cerveza, quiero tomar cerveza.
My we're gonna embarrass her. I literally told her, be prepared. She's like, no, guys, no. You guys are not doing that too.
Oh, we are doing it to her. I'm sorry, Kim, we love you.
Wait, I think I have a sharp.
Okay, we should do
I can-
pink
I
because she
love
loves pink.
Bitch, the bitch hates me.
That's why we should do it.
Do you have
So, tres
Where
veces
is the
también.
fork? See, I thought y'all were prepared. I thought y'all was prepared.
Oh wait, I have some in my car. Never mind.
Oh,
Only a big bag.
Where are the napkins?
In my car. I got you guys.
¿Quién fuma aquí?
King Mas. She's 21.
No, nadie.
I'm just kidding. She doesn't. Don't think she's a bad influence.
She's
It's
the
'cause
best influence. Should I just use my lip liner at this point?
No. But let's be for real. She's actually the good influence. Kim is the bad influence.
Who?
You are the good influence. Kim and Donnie are the bad influence.
Are you crying?
What the frick? It's pissing me off.
No encuentra morrita, man.
Oh. Should we practice? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
I did it! I love you.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, that's why I love lip liners.
Wow. Okay, I'm at 12, guys. You think it'll fit? 12,
Anyways, guys, stay tuned for the Target run.
13.
While these lame bitches are at Get out! Get out! Okay, go, play.
Hey, the music.
Go. Go now. Go! Happy That shit like burned a while ago.
Realize how long it's on in my car?
Put it on. Give me the phone.
Why did that go?
Hola, pobrecita.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
What?
This is embarrassing for y'all too.
Stop it. Stop.
He's having too much fun.
I need to stop it. Me mato.
Anyways.
Hey, Anderson, ¿qué te parece el carro de tu tía?
Hey, they actually think it's. Wait a minute.
No, I'm not gonna bring it because somebody decided. This girl had chocolate all over her lips. If I didn't even pay attention to you, you would have walked around with chocolate all over your lips. This bitch would have been like this fat ass. Well, anyways, we're here at Target. Why are we here? Wait, you're buying a couple stuff, right?
Yeah.
I'm here for a jump rope. Are you gonna get it? I found my jump rope. Some weird person. Okay, how to go broke. Decide to buy your man something and then you buy as well.
I love Bluey. That is so cute.
I don't know what Bluey is, but go ahead. I'm just hungry.
Wait, there's small ones.
Oh my god, we're done.
Yo lo que ando es moviendo los kilos y los culados, moviendo los kilos y los culados, moviendo los kilos y los culados. Que levanten la mano lo que tengan.
Oh!